Several homes ablaze in Southern California. Now, this one's in the news big time today because they're a wealthy, affluent neighborhood. There you go, wealthy California town. Awesome stuff. Invisible walls, like magnetic fields, fucking tornadoes. What we got here? Oh, God, not even worth looking at. Here's a couple of grassy knolls there, too. Vast fortunes destroyed in weeks because the market's crashing. The Civil War is already happening. I've been warning about that, didn't I? Didn't I? I did. I did. So they're going to get us in Civil War, then they're going to break it down with the bombs. Said this since 2014. Haven't broken my fucking stance on it. Not even a little bit. Especially when I'm seeing it all in the news, break bad, in real time. Oh, we got planes crashing. We got Biden doing stuff. We got China talking about private sector crackdowns on the market. Uh-oh, threat of nuclear war in China. Uh-oh, because of the war in Ukraine. Uh-oh. God, that sounds so much like what I've been saying since 2014. Civil war, China, Russia, and North Korea dump on us. You're just gonna keep being confused and all entertained by this. You're going to catch a hint that Crown Vatican DC Corporation clued up on this a long time ago. They offered me a bunker. I turned it down. They offered me a bunker for my son, thinking I would take it. No, we're taking our chances up here with you. I need you to fucking start paying attention, people. The world's on fire. You ain't going to survive in the Wild West. They telling you. I love it. Oh, the soft landing. Get ready for a crash. Uh-oh. Worse than the UN, water levels and need and all that good stuff. More several homes. All kinds of good stuff going on today. Meanwhile, last night it hit 200,000. Now it's up to 236.9, almost 240,000. Just today, gained almost 40,000 acres. Do the math. Last night it hit, and then tonight, yeah, about 40,000 fucking acres. I told you it's going to exponentially grow. I told you it would. There's an awful lot of fire around the world. Yucatan caught on fire a couple weeks ago because of the heavy UV, and it's been spreading north and south on the planet. Africa, I mean the planet. Motherfucking Siberia is on fire, Swiss Alps, UK, Scotland, Ireland. We've got folks over here in the UK talking about, oh my God. I'm like, yeah, I know. Over here too. My moon's all red, and we can't hardly fucking see the sun in the day. It's so smoky here because we've got fires going on here too, in Colorado, around me, you know, humans over here in Kansas. Lots of smoke around me. Lots of little fires busting out. 20,000 acres. Nothing like the 240,000 acres, but we've lost 20 to 40,000 acres around here in the last couple of weeks. Vince Ford, that where all kinds of little fires around here. It's been crazy. We've been watching it spread, and it's getting worse because of the UV. 17 on the UV scale. And I just clicked over here. Like, fucking, it's not. It's 14, 16, 17, all the way up in here in China and Russia all day. That's why they're on fire. See, those UV balls don't come around this way. That's your suns. There's two suns on this side. That's why you have double the UV radiation coming in than fucking 10. Goddamn, 10's fucking extreme. You usually don't have fucking that kind of high UV. No, we're looking at 17 to 21. We've seen 21 in here. I'm not going to go searching. It's not a big deal when we're talking about fucking as extreme as it is. This is self-igniting shit. You don't need anything but dry fuel, and this shit'll set on fire. 17, 18 UV, dude. Are you kidding me? This isn't a joke. And look, obviously this isn't guesswork. I would have been wrong a long time ago. All right, we tilted on our axis. The Earth did, and we roll like this now. That's why your moon is doing a literal cartwheel every night. It's rising fucking wax and setting wane. It's fucking abnormal. And it kills me when people want to argue how normal it is. Earth's axis has secretly shifted popular fucking mechanics. And I mean, there's scholarly articles on this shit. So if our Earth fucking axis tilted, of course the moon doing its fucking thing that I've been pointing out is not fucking normal. Okay? It's just light and shadow, for fuck's sake. The angle of the moon literally depends on our angle as it goes around its loopty. The man in the moon is very famous for not doing cartwheels, and he's doing a cartwheel. Isaiah 24:23. He's fucking confused. He's confounded. Okay? That's just look it up. Now, people like Lee here will literally put up playlists debunking angry catfish brigs, the science and the scripture. 88 fucking videos. Okay? Now look at this. How many of these are dedicated to literally telling you the moon is doing normal flips at night and then his dick on the line? Literally telling you the moon's normal. I'm crazy. I'm a narcissist because I'm convinced the earth got tilted by a sun that you can't see. Well, we did. Regardless of fucking why. The earth tilted and the fucking moon's doing a cartwheel and it shouldn't. And it never has before. And they wrote it in this book that he keeps talking about, which kills me. People like this will call me all kinds of names, but they never have any proof, just a lot of loud mouth about the moon is normal. I'm crazy. Even Popular Mechanics agrees with me. NASA announced it. Because we've been raising enough hell over here, we shut down an entire fucking section of Five Eyes. If you don't know who Five Eyes is, you need to look it up. Look at what this guy's saying. He got it from God. He's reading his book. Dude, you don't even fucking know the book. This guy misquotes every goddamn thing. It's fucking nuts. People, he denies oxygen. And I got people fucking asking me all the time, oh, how about Lee? You and Lee, you're getting in an argument. I'm like, hey, what argument? The man's been compromised. Fuck, man. At least this guy, when he got compromised, he made a couple videos saying he got compromised. He changed some of his fucking shit, took some of his stuff down. This is where I got the Sora Apophis. It's fucking brilliant. His name's Ken Wheeler. He's a hell of a lot more intelligent than Lee. And I was using him in the beginning of my videos when I was using Ferrocells and showing what he was showing. I was like, man, this guy's fucking awesome. And then he comes out talking about how he's been compromised. So we went to Lee, which I have always said. His Ferrocell's great, but his theories are fucking bunk. And they are. They're just bunk. He'll sit there and tell you it's amazing. And he's got the footage. This kind of guy put up the Birkeland current with 3 strands of energy. Just like I've gone over in previous videos, you need to make your double helix with your connectors there, your fucking longitudinal waves, man. You gotta have to make your DNA. You have to have 3 waves of energy. There it is. There it is. There's 3 in creation. Always 3. There's 3 creators, 3 different energies. Symbiotically intertwined, just like a DNA. Every magnet, every atom has a fucking muon at the center, which is a magnetic field that rides that electromagnetic field, the inseparable field, electromagnetic. Your spirit side, your fucking physical side. When you die, you let go of your magnet, you're in the electro. You release your freaking field lines and be the freaking universe. You're a child of a great creator. It's all magnetic. This guy brings out circuitry and wants to limit you. It's amazing. Don't do that. This is from today.
Remember the dead fields of corn? No one's growing them back this year. I'm telling you, man. The farmers tried a couple years in a row and watched it die at a foot and a half. They can't take that kind of money for it all the time. A lot of them are selling off all their land. Some of them are growing grass. Seriously, folks. We're out of food. And it's, look at this cloud.
A Russian hacker could do that.
I've been chasing this cloud for an hour and a half. It ain't a cloud, it's Cherokee radiation. All the way across. That's why your ocean's turning blue. Look it up.
Oh yeah, the color of the ocean's changing colors. That made mainstream too. They're blaming it on global warming. It's funny how I can tell you what's happening before mainstream gets a hold of it. And they make some funny stuff up about global warming and cow farts making the fucking ocean blue. Cherokee radiation's blue. You have a magnet, people. I don't love it.
Magnetic field tug of war.
Learn to use it. You can project it through objects. Notice the little one's not moving, but I'm projecting through it. The big one. See, it's not blue. Let it stop. I'll start grabbing this one again. Look, I put my hands around it. You swear I was touching. Not with my physical hands. You have a magnetic field that you can bend, freaking manipulate. You can send energy through your arms. It's tangible. Do this, you're going to feel it in your hands. Bring it out, you feel the push. It's the same thing pushing water. You're water. You're a healer by design. Gone over this in detail. There's no question. You have to know this. You can't believe it. You can't have faith. This isn't a cult like what you're used to. I require you to know this information. I'm not going to tell you the information. I'm not going to have you believe my words. That's just gross. We've been doing that too long. Open your fucking eyes. Start taking responsibility for yourself and who you are. Stop fucking playing games for your dollar, for your spinning wheels. Yeah, you gotta feed your kids. The world's on fire. I'm still working. I've been doing this out last today. Thank God. The world's on fire. There's tens of thousands of homes been lost. That's real. That's real human suffering people could have been warned about. Steps could have been taken. But there's been too much goddamn effort trying to prove me wrong. In the name of the fucking narrative that they're trying to play on you. Oldest first.